find in here better?
Vi organiserar, vi ska starta upp här nu och så att det är mycket med hyrbilar och allting, men snart är vi i full fart.
Det är bra.
Kom bara till studion. Det är viktigt studion.
So right now Draken is prepared for a winter stay, and to go sailing we need to put everything together again. So we need to take off the white cover, and we also need to put on the sail and all the running rigging and so. So we have quite a lot to do.
Yes!
We have a crew that normally goes here to Mystic and do the maintenance, and that's also been part of the crossing, of course. And then we have a lot of very, very helpful volunteers that helps us out with the maintenance as well. Actually, we have a volunteer that's coming right now. Very exciting.
Let's go here.
Yeah.
I normally build ocean rowing boats that like cross the Atlantic, and I live on a steel motorboat from 1963. So
Very nice.
I'm down in all the materials that I need to.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Looks it's in very good condition. This cover up here might not look very good with the plastic worm here, but it's good for the ship. So it looks very good every year we come back now. This one is going to be changed with a new one. We have already made a new one. Hopefully it fits, because I made it in Denmark and sent it over. Same time, Sune is working in the aft of the ship, changing the winds there for a new one. Mystic is always a fantastic place to come back to, and especially I would say this year, because so many new projects on. We have just been looking at Danton over there, yeah, and it's an amazing ship. It looks like a racing ship, and it used to be a fishing boat. That's fantastic.